So I'll start by looking at gold, and from the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price is currently bearish on the main structure, right? Because price made a change of character in October, on 20 October. Somewhere the price made a change of character after making an all-time high, which is an equal high as well, meaning there's a liquidity lying on top, and it gives us a possibility for bullish scenarios because price may go bullish to take out this all-time highs and liquidity on top of it. But before that, we just focus on the market structure that we have at the moment. So this is the main structure, and if you want to wait for it, it will take a lot of time to develop for price to reach these points of interest to look for trades. So what I do is I start identifying the internal market structure, which is this one. So on the internal market structure, you can see that price is currently in a bullish market. First, it made this breakout structure, then another breakout structure, then price took out inducement, making this a valid higher high, and after this breakout structure, this became a valid higher low, right? So with that in mind, we know that price is bullish, right? Because breakout structure, it makes sense for us to expect another breakout structure. But now we can see price currently in a complex pullback. First, the sellers were in control, and now the buyers in control. But overall, the buyers in control because of the main structure, which is bullish. So on this complex pullback, we cannot do analysis on it on the 1 hour time frame, considering that we're already in an internal move. So what we can do is we switch on to the 5 minutes time frame to do market structure analysis on 5 minutes. And if we jump to the 5 minutes chart and enable the 5 minutes analysis, you can see that price is currently in a bullish market as well. So the market opened bullish on Monday. You can see the opening price was here and the closing price was here, and it was a bullish day. Then again, market opened here and closed somewhere around here. So this was a bearish day, right? So on this bearish day, you can see that price first made a change of character here, indicating its intention to start selling, but the sellers did not get enough control to push price lower, and another change of character was created. Then after that, price made another breakout structure. After that, inducement was taken out. Then today, price made a breakout structure to the upside, then took out inducement, then broke this lower low, which caused this breakout structure. But because this lower low failed to hold price, you can see it was liquidity grab here, liquidity grab here. So it means this lower low is now being transferred from this point to this point, right? And on the 5 minutes time frame, considering that price is bullish, but it's not strong enough to push price higher because this lower high, which was supposed to protect price, it got liquidated here. So now I have two scenarios, right? Either price is gonna start selling from this supply zone, which just got mitigated, and if I'll be entering this trade, it'll be a 1 to 4 risk reward with my stop loss just above the supply zone, and then targeting a 1 to 4, which will be somewhere around here when price is rebalanced or these imbalances that are left out. Or price could just continue going bullish, right? Because it didn't create a change of character, right? Because this was just liquidate grabs. So for now, the only thing that makes sense for me is shorts, because price failed to this lower low here, which was supposed to hold price and keep the buyers in control, failed to do that. It was liquidated. So it makes sense that price might go bearish, right, on this setup. Then now going to the Euro USD setup, I'll just look at the analysis I already did on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, price has been bullish, change of character, inducement taken out. Then this decision order block failed to push price higher, but this extreme order block managed to hold price and it's now going up. So the complex pullback was bearish, now it's bullish, and this was H1 main structure. Then if we switch to the H1 internal structure, this is all for 5 minutes. If we disable it, so if we go to the H1 internal structure, guys, last did analysis around this area, but with even with that analysis, it's clear that price is bullish. So I will not waste time on this. I'll just go to the 5 minutes time frame directly. So on 5 minutes, you can see that price is bullish, and it did the same thing that gold did, creating two change of characters in a row, which happens most of the time. So after this breakout structure, this lower low, which was supposed to push price up, failed to hold price, which led into creation of this change of character. Then another change of character here. So now I have this entry setup that I'm waiting for price to go back to this point of interest, and then I'll take shorts from here targeting a 1 to 4. But if price fails to come to this zone, then I'll just wait for price to come to this the extreme order block, and then from the extreme order block I'll be looking for longs, targeting a 1 to 4 as well, with my stop loss just below this low just to be safe, and my target will be a 1 to 4 risk reward. So yeah, this is it guys for the midweek. These are the setups I'm looking at for gold shorts from here, but it might be a stop loss because there's no confirmed change of character, meaning price could still be bullish. So I'm just waiting for price to develop and see how it's going to work out. So if this fails, then price will create another change of character here. It will be a breakout structure actually, because there's no change of character. So yeah, this is what I have for today. If there's any